Nice little S3 there. Then across the road we have not an AMG, we got a Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. I believe owned by a guy who used to have a white Phantom. But look at that. Look at the stance of that thing. So yeah, this car, like the AMG GT, has a 4-litre bi-turbo V8, except I believe this one is 4-wheel drive and obviously 4 doors. That's nice. Anyway, Rolls-Royce Phantom 8. That thing looks pretty nice. That massive front grille there, so expensive. I believe they're like $500,000, $600,000 brand new. Hello guys, so we're back on this gloomy December's day to Charleshurst. We have 2 brand new pistas. This is so exciting to see. So we got this one, got the sort of black middle stripe, and then the 2 sort of silver ones to the side. And then we got this one, which is opposite, black on the 2 sides and then silver down the middle. And then that also carries on to the fin, you can see there. Oh yes! That is crazy for stock. Like for stock, that is insane. Wow, that's off the Vantage. Oh, the carpeting's very nice. You got DBX there. DBX is the right name. Yeah, it really is. They got that one right. Quite a small door, like in terms of just width. It's like the Rapide. Can I sit in it? Jesus, but it feels so airy. Doesn't it? I mean, I didn't realize it had. It's got panoramic roof. And then does this come up with all your climate stuff then? You haven't seen it much?
No, not really.
So that's an interesting shape.
The specs of the car.
You're waiting for the specs?
They mainly been focused on the specs now.
Right, okay. DBX. I love Alcantara headliners. My friend, he's got a Mini Cooper. It's not Alcantara, but it's like a weird suede thing and it feels like an Alcantara headliner. It's so nice. There's carbon there. It looks so nice.
Have you seen the carbon side sills?
It's got this sort of arrow shape. Carbon side sills? Where? That's so cool. You can see that carbon weave. It's very nice. It's quite, I'll need to show in the camera. You don't get it, like it on the camera it looks like it juts out too much at the rear, like there, but it doesn't. Is it carbon? At least, see, ironically, this is one of the few cars that should have a carbon front splitter because you're not going to scrape it.
Seen all the carbon in there?
Oh, it's like floating. I quite like it. Yeah, I'm gonna sit in it. Yeah, thank you. Wow. Look at this. A lot of people don't like Aston paddles. I love them. Display is very clear. All sorts of stuff's going on, but that's okay. Mercedes switchgear here, but that's all good. DBX. Oh, I've never seen that in an SUV. Actually, I haven't heard one of these yet. Carbon fiber in this thing is insane. No, but it does. It's weird. But look, carbon. We've got carbon and carbon here. And then what's that like? It's very clean. It's not really been driven, which is cool. Wow. And those lights, they're stunning. And that's a cool part of it. It's got the swan doors. See it? The way it sort of like lifts up. It's a good idea. And then doesn't it? It's got this thing where you can like leave it anywhere.
Sort of the Bentley stuff. This is a pre-production system.
I see. Yeah, that's cool. I've never really been around a pre-production car before.
It's a very strange colour interior. It's like a greeny bluey sort
of color. I suppose it shows the different sort of stuff you can get. Oh really?
Because they're all usually plastic.
That's cool. That is cool. Is that just for like reflections and stuff?
I think it's just for looks.
Fair.
It's interesting.
This, I just think that looks so good. Carbon. I mean, it is a nice place to be, isn't it? Yeah. And the mirror is nice. There's so many Astons you look at and it's got like the mirror from like a Ford Mondeo.
Yeah, exactly.
Whereas that does look pretty good. Well. Is that aircon?
It'll be aircon or it'll be just heat relief for the dash cam.
Okay.
Because that's where all your sensors are for your automatic wipers, your lights, everything.
Oh, up in that module. Yeah. Right. And this is cool. This reminds me of some, you know when you get like a
suspension, so does as well.
Oh yeah, of course.
Yeah.
But that's, I mean, I've never seen hill descent control in an Aston before.
With 600 horsepower.
With 600 horsepower. This reminds me of like a Panamera. You know when you get in a Panamera and it feels like you're in some sort of starship?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
And you get like the whole control panel here. That's really awesome. And then that. Decent storage. But look at the paint. That is absurd. Gold. Yeah.
I actually went with the colour on the shell of my Smart.
Oh, right, yeah.
I like the strip then. Then I went with more iron blue.
Is it all? It's such a big mouth. Maybe those look like the intercoolers. Those are probably just radiated, just fans or something. Look at that. Can we open it? Oh. Big swan doors. Yes. Yes, I agree.
And you can daily drive it.
Oh my gosh, carbon fiber paddles. That's the first time. That's the first time I've seen that in an Aston. Both of them. This is a spec. I dig this spec. Yes. Yes. And I love how low that slopes. So guys, listen, that video might not have been as long as I wanted it to be. I couldn't film the car moving, but I can say the brand new DBX does sound amazing on the road. The reason I couldn't film it is because it was actually a pre-production car that is an exclusive for you guys. Sorry I couldn't get it driving. It's just protocol, and you just have to be respectful to these companies, and that's something I'd recommend you guys to do. Don't take chances with things like that, because those sorts of relationships are very good. Oh yes, my glasses are broken. It's a thing I do. Anyway, casually just sitting across from a challenge car there. But yeah, anyway guys, that was an incredible event. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Sorry if the video was a little bit short. I was catching up with some people there. My friend Chris, great seeing you. If it's past, I hope you had a good Christmas. But anyway guys, have a lovely day, and I will see you in the next video.